Sam, hurry up! I want to know everything! What? Tell me! What craft do you see in our future?
Don't rush me! Slime Seer needs time to focus! No, give me the other hand. It might be better. I see clearly now that you've eaten all the chocolate!
Seems to me like you can't see the future at all.
Hey! You were all covered in chocolate paste!
Maybe you need a magic tool? Like, I don't know, a fortune ball?
Finally a good guess!
Why didn't you say so earlier? Let's go!
Wow!
Hello and welcome to our mysterious place. Today we're making… Come here, plastic ball. Sammy, are you okay?
Aha! What a cool ride! Can I do it one more time?
Not in this ball.
Meh!
It'll be the base for your magic tool, remember?
Woohoo! I'm ready! Summon the thing! Huh? Work, you silly wand!
Maybe we should try manual magic? Shake, shake, give us the next material!
It worked! Not too well, but anyway, here!
Guys, we didn't need glitter. But a glitter container is just the right stuff. Now we should carefully cut off the bottom part of it.
Don't hope for magic here. Better ask an adult for help.
Cut! Now we can get rid of the bottom piece. Sammy!
Coming! Go, go! We should move to the next part!
Now let's check the measurements. Huh, seems like the sides don't fit.
Will this do? Sanding is perfect for changing the shapes.
Okay, I'll just mark the right angle on the…
Sue, but…
Sammy, stop! Wait a bit there.
Guys, I'm sure that she'll call for me exactly in 1 second.
Sam!
Told ya! Aha!
You're defo a good fortune teller. Everything goes as you said.
Yeah, I can see myself in a school of seers. Whee! The question is how to find it.
Aha, perfect fit. So it'll match the sphere too. Thanks, Sammy.
What? What did you just say?
Here, try to attach this container to the side.
1 second. Almost done. I need help. I can't do it. Plus this needs to be painted first.
Okay, which one do you like? We have a wide range of colors.
Not that, not this. Aha! I like the black one.
Interesting choice. I'd like to know what you were thinking.
It's dark like a bottomless pit. Or even better, a black hole of mysteries of the future. Ha!
Wow, what a great analogy! Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree.
I want to make this container look magical too! I've prepared the paint for you, so it's time to start!
Thanks, my slime friend. I can't do without you.
Sue, I want to help you! Let me do it!
Sammy, please, you'll stain me.
Guys, did you notice that something is missing?
Finally, games are over. We're ready to…
Sue, you forgot this!
Huh? Thanks, Sammy. Guys, let's try to read cards and predict what we'll do next.
In a few seconds. Stay tuned!
Ha! Come to battle! Glue for plastic!
Oh, Susie, maybe you should have opened it first?
You're not fun, Sammy. We're making a unique magic tool. And you're just idling away. Doesn't seem like you.
Seriously? You're saying that while I was stealing precious fortune pollen from fairies! Being a slime in a fairy disguise isn't easy, you know.
Oh, I can tell. Anyway, your mischief turned out great. Guys, just check out all of this sparkling glitter!
Pollen! It's magic pollen, Susie!
Now we'll use transparent nail polish to cover the surface.
How should I use it? When I can't even squeeze in!
All right, here you go. Your turn to shine, Sammy.
Much better!
Cover just a small space and don't let it dry. We need it to glue these little twinkling stars.
Ah! Starfall!
Then we'll sprinkle it a bit more with a glitter mix.
Let me see! Good macaroons! It looks like a bunch of tiny galaxies! Huh? Oh, space has an end, though.
Means that we have some creative stuff to do, right?
Yeah, let's move on! Guys, follow the lead! Hey, are you ready for a real glitter storm? Get your phones out! Whoa! Susie!
No, I don't want to be all covered with glitter. Want to be creative? A sieve is good enough for that. Check this out.
Yep, prepare umbrella, guys. Glitter rain is just poured. Shiver me cheddars.
We're at the finishing line. New constellations have just appeared.
Sue, wait! Good macaroons. I will name this one the Great Sam.
Okay, then this will be called Susan Galaxy. How sparkling it is!
Susie, should we decorate the other half sphere too?
Sure, it's the next obvious step, but we can try using some spells this time. Transformicus Amazicus! Poof! Ha! It worked!
Susie! Ah! Something is itching my chin!
Oh, it's nothing! You're okay now?
Oh, what was that? Hey, where do you think you're going? Come back! Much better! Guys, don't go anywhere! We're starting to make prophecies! Impossible! Making a famous artist wait so long! How rude!
Sorry for interrupting your nagging, monsieur.
Ah, you are a mischievous girl! Here, my tools are useless without paint. Did you bring it?
Sure, I guessed that the blue one would be the best.
Very good! It looks like a deep blue ocean or an endless night sky. No time for playing! Sam the Crafter is here again with a painting tip! Water the paint down! Trust me, it'll look mesmerizing!
It already does! Guys, are you ready to paint? Then give us a thumbs up! We'll color each half of the sphere from the inner side. Sammy, did you doze off there?
Susie, you didn't get it. The best artists choose the most creative positions to paint.
I'll remember that. Okay, let's pick which tool will be a fortune teller.
Huh? What do you think about dice?
I can't read numbers. Can you?
Meh, no.
How about fortune sticks?
We won't squeeze them in!
Uh-huh. I've got an idea. Why don't we?
Why don't we do some sketching?
That's exactly what we need. It is going to be as small as dice, and it will have inscriptions just like the sticks do. What do you say?
I can't say.
What? Why? Can you tell me more?
Uh-huh. Good chances.
Okay, I'm really confused. What's going on? Whoa!
I was writing down all the prophecies for the stone.
Ah, got it.
Susie, help me to copy them here.
Sam, you did a great job. I want to receive one prophecy already. Guys, what about you?
Not till we cut it out first. Don't rush and be careful.
Do you want your stone to float mysteriously inside the container? Place a tiny piece of foam right here.
Then we'll glue all of the sides together. Piece of cake.
And this is what we've got. Sure, we'll have to protect the magic. You won't believe it, but the UV resin is the best for it.
But add some glitter. I mean, fairy pollen too, just in case.
Here we go! Looks fascinating, huh? We'll use a brush to smear the resin on the surface of the stone.
But it won't dry without a magic light! Abracadabra!
We just need to push the button.
Yeah, sometimes magic doesn't work without electricity.
Muggles call it a UV lamp, guys. Just place the stone under it for a bit.
Slime Sam, get out in front! Ha! Three-pointer!
And here is why we needed extra protection. The stone will float in water.
Phew! Don't forget to close the lid!
This is it! We'll put two halves together like this, and the fortune ball is finished!
Mysteries! We love them! Stay tuned to get some fortune energy!
Okay, fortune ball, tell me, how will it be? Yay! Oh, can't wait!
What was it, huh? What did you ask?
Not telling. Sammy, don't even try to find that out.
I don't even need to try. I have this. Fortune ball, was it connected with me? Shiver me cheddars. When did you two get along so well?
Guys, do you want to make friends with a magic fortune ball too? Then make this fun and easy craft together with us.
I'll crack you. I'll find the way. Here, do you want money? Huh? Wait!
I wonder what happened. Never mind. Bye, guys. Sammy, no, don't take that.